Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Mark Bourbon, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
For coverage A, bodily injury and property damage liability, coverage C, medical payments and supplementary payments of a CGL policy, what is the difference between it and a combined public and product policy in respect of the coverage?
First, let us do a comparison between what we call the coverage A of commercial and general liability insurance, which is bodily injury and property damage liability. How the scope of cover is defined under this section. So the insurer shall indemnify all damage caused by an accident to which the insurance, the policy, shall apply. In other words, as long as the accident is not listed in the exclusion, the cover shall attach. Under product liability insurance, the policy attaches if there is a damage caused by the insured product to user consumer. In other words, there might be direct relationship between the product used and the damage caused by the product. Now, under public liability, the policy shall attach if there is a damage caused by business interruptions. Once again, there might be direct relationship between the damage and operation. The main difference between commercial and general liability and the product public liability combined is there might be a direct relationship between whether the product sold or operation and the accident causing the damage. Another difference is in terms of exclusion. The main difference is under commercial and general liability insurance. What we call consequential loss is covered. Consequential loss is related to any financial loss following a damage. For instance, if someone is injured, so what is covered under the policy usually are medical expenses. However, if the person cannot work, there may be a loss of income. So the loss of income is considered as consequential loss. Now, if we compare what we call section B and C of the commercial general liability insurance, which are coverage for personal and advertising injury or medical payment and supplemental payment. These two sections, are not covered under combined and product and public liability insurance.
Under what circumstances shall a CGL policy be taken out? And under what circumstances shall a combined public and product policy be taken out?
Company engage in business involving many aspects such as production, doing advertisement, dealing with large number of clients, may take commercial and general liability insurance. For instance, chain store like supermarket may take commercial and general liability insurance. Small to medium-sized company not involved directly with end-user clients, doing mainly B2B business, so business to business, may take combined product and public liability insurance.
For coverage B, personal and advertising injury liability, can you please give us an example of claim to help us understand this coverage better?
The first example, this is regarding what we call advertising injury. A bread manufacturer in an advertisement campaign say that their product tastes better than other from their competitor by showing a bag of one of their competitor with the logo of the competitor on it. Due to this campaign, the company, the competitor of the company doing the advertisement, lost some clients, therefore turnover. So sue the company that did the advertisement. The expenses incurred by this company were first the lawyer fees and also award fixed by the courts tribunal to indemnify the company that suffer loss of income. The second example, this is regarding personal injury. A lady was shopping in a busy department store. She cannot find a cashier to wrap the purse she wants to buy. She left in hurry the store and putting back her own purse in her pocket without buying anything. Outside of the shop, a store manager caught up with her, blocked her path, and ordered her to take off her coat, and after this he asked her about his pocket of her dress by reaching into the pockets. He did not find anything. Then he took her purse and emptied it out. Again, not finding anything, he placed all the item back into the purse, then went back to the store. People on the street stopped to watch the scene. It created an embarrassing situation to this lady, suggesting to the crowd she was a theft. After that, she hired a lawyer to report the incident to the store manager. In order to avoid any bad advertisement about his store, the manager, with the agreement of his insurer, entered into a negotiation with the lawyer of this lady to indemnify her of the mental stress she suffered from the incident.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.